Good day, Safe Fleet partners. My name is Craig Bonham. I'm Vice President of Work Truck at Safe Fleet. Thanks for making this stop here with us today on edition 9 of Work Truck 360. Hey, things are really getting hot here at the Work Truck business unit with the recent acquisition of American Van. American Van is a high-quality premium manufacturer of shelving for inside cargo vans as well as accessories. You'll soon be able to acquire this product, and we'll keep you up to speed on that transition and the integration of American Van. Another thing that I'd like to talk about is Deploy Pro. Deploy Pro is now available for you to pre-order with production beginning in July. Get in line for this hot product that your customers will truly be looking for. The FMVSS 111 safety standards are highly critical to stay observant to today. You must make sure that you're compliant with the certification process when installing a rear view vision camera system. Keep in mind, we offer systems for vehicles above 10,000 gross vehicle weight rating through Seon and RVS. Last but not least is the steel and aluminum tariffs that have now been launched. This is a topic of discussion throughout the industry, and the impact can affect us all. It's highly critical that you stay very, very tight with us and watch for an update for pending increases in pricing structures. Of course, we will always be respectful and cast advance notice of such changes. Hey, thanks very much for stopping here with me today. I truly appreciate the business, the entire organization at the Work Truck Business Unit. Appreciate your business. Have a great day.